Alright, hey friends, today's gonna be a good day. We just finished up pre-trip. We got a contest winner, so congratulations to Andy. And we're ready to rock and roll and have a good day. I'll see you. I knew he was gonna do that, that's why I was laughing. Y'all ready? Setup day. This is what we do. I don't just play on the cameras. Today we're at Bristol. I got Jeff and Sandra over here.
Hey, what's up, Josh?
Hey, Josh. Beautiful day here in Bristol. Let's race, baby.
It is a beautiful day, isn't it?
I had a nice ride.
I got my man Ray over here.
Hey, Josh.
This is the real. This is the real Ray. I'm the fake Ray. He's the real Ray. We even got Clayton over here.
What's happening? Living the dream.
We got the boss man over here.
A horse and buggy? 64 mile an hour. Almost got. You won't go more than 64. What are you doing?
I'm doing every time you ask that. The boss man.
I'm not firing.
No.
What am I waiting on?
I've been putting it up myself. Joseph behind me.
He's in the back. There's a Joseph back there.
Alright.
Hi.
I just had to show that. I felt like someone just turned their back on you. Because that's exactly what Joseph did. He turned his back on me. So I'm going to talk in just a few minutes about community. That word community, we've been talking about it in our YouTube and Twitter circles. It feels good, and I also get that same sense out here at the tracks. And for everyone that knows me, knows that I value friendship and I value the community that we all built together. I'm just wanting you guys to know that it means a lot to me, and I'm thankful for everyone that subscribes, and I'm thankful for everyone that watches. I'm really thankful for the feedback that I get. Sometimes it's on comments, and sometimes it's in person. Somebody will come up and say, you know, I saw this or I saw that, and just tell me that they enjoyed it, and I appreciate that, and that's just all part of it. That's all part of the community. And I also want to take just a moment to show you guys our M&M wall. M&M wall. So most of you should pretty much get that joke by now. Anyway, the van today. We got some Barry with us today.
Be rich again today, yes sir. Trying to pump these people.
I last showed you the M&M wall. It's been improved on. I wish your boyfriend would show up.
Me too.
Rain and stock car racing don't mix well together. With the rains, we have refugees on the trailer. Hey guys. Those are the guys that are working here. Those are the guys that are not working here. Members now. How you doing? What's your name?
My name's Kaz.
What's your name?
Chad.
This is the refugee crew we got here with the rain in Bristol. Texting with my mom, and I just had to share this. Every time my mom texts me, she always has to have the last word. And when I say she has to have the last word, I mean the last word. And the best part about this is she watches these YouTube videos that I put out. So I will be awfully surprised. She never comments, and I'll be surprised if she lets this slide without some kind of rebuttal. But every time we text, even if she asks me a question, she always has to have the last word. So a conversation can be something like this. She'll text me and say, what time is the race starting? And I will give her a time. So I might say, 2 o'clock. And she will inevitably have to have the last word. So she'll send me a thumbs up. And a lot of times I just won't let it slide, and I'll send something back. And she'll send me another thumbs up. Or I might say what time I'm planning on leaving the track or something the next day. And then she'll ask me what time I plan on getting to the next place, and I'll give her an answer. And then she'll give me a thumbs up. But I have never won this battle. Not one time have I won this conversation. Not once. So, I just wanted to put that out there. You good there, Be Rich?
Yeah, be rich. Like and subscribe.
That's right. Tell him Be Rich.
I just not turn up.
Okay.